सो हेलो एवरीवन, आज करेंगे कंप्लीट पॉलिटी विथ 101 एमसीक्यू के साथ में। सो स्टार्ट करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वाज फ्रेम्ड बाय ए वर्किंग कमिटी, प्रेसिडेंट, प्लानिंग कमीशन और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल असेंबली। द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल असेंबली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज अडॉप्टेड ऑन 26 January 1950, 26 January 1946, 26 November 1949 or 31 December 1949. So the correct answer is C, 26 November 1949. Next, question number 3. Who was appointed as constitutional advisor of the assembly? A. B.N. Rao, B.R. Ambedkar, H.C. Mukherjee or M.N. Roy. So the correct answer is B.N. Rao was appointed as constitutional advisor. Next, question number 4. Who presidented over the first meeting of Indian Constitutional Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sachidanand Sinha, B.R. Ambedkar or H.V. Kamath. So the right answer is B, Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Okay, next question number 5. Who among the following was the chairman of Union Constitutional Committee of the Constitutional Assembly? B.R. Ambedkar, J.P. Kripalan, Jawaharlal Nehru or Iyer, Krishnaswamy Iyer. So the correct answer for this question is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 6. The national anthem was adopted by Constitutional Assembly on 24th May 1949, 24th November 1949, 24th January 1950 or 24th June 1950. So the correct answer for this question is 24th January 1950. National anthem was adopted on this date. Next, question number 7. The Constitutional Assembly took how many years to complete the Constitution? A. 2 year 11 month 18 days, 2 year 11 month 22 days or 2 year 11 month 10 days or 2 year 11 month 12 days. So the correct answer is A, 2 year 11 month and 18 days. Okay, next, the directive principle of state policies has been adopted from which constitution? A, US Constitution, B, British Constitution, C, Irish Constitution or D, French Constitution. So DPSP is adopted from Irish Constitution. Next, from where, question number 9, from where have we borrowed the parliament form of government? Russia, Ireland, Britain or America? So the correct answer is Britain. From Britain we have borrowed the parliament form of government. Next, question number 10. Fundamental rights have been adopted from which constitution? UK, USA, Canada or Ireland? So fundamental rights have been adopted from USA. Correct answer is B. Next, which of the following term is not used in preamble of constitution? A, sovereign democratic republic, B, socialist, secular or federal? So the correct answer is D. Federal is not used in constitution. Sorry, in preamble. Next, 12. The first country which adopted preamble for its written constitution is USA, India, Britain or Canada? So it is B, India. India adopted preamble for its written constitution. Next, question number 13. Which amendment of Indian Constitution inserted the word socialist and secular in the preamble? 28th, 40th, 42nd or 52? So the correct answer is 42nd amendment. Added the word socialist and secular. Next, question number 14. How many schedules presently are there in the Constitution of India? 9, 10, 11 or 12. So there are 12 schedules presently in the constitution. Next, question number 15. The total number of language in 8th schedule of Indian constitution are 15, 18, 22 or 14. So the correct answer is 22 languages. Next, 16. How many parts were there at the commencement of Indian constitution? कितने part थे? 18, 32, 42 or 52. So the correct answer is at the time of commencement 18 parts were there. Option A is right answer. Next, question number 17. Which part of the Indian Constitution deal with the fundamental right? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 or Part 4? So Part 3 is all about fundamental rights. Next, question number 18. In how many ways Indian citizenship can be acquired? 3 ways, 4, 5 or 6? So the correct answer is in 5 ways Indian citizenship can be acquired. Next, question number 19. In which part of the constitution deals with citizenship deal okay detail of citizenships are mentioned? First part, second part, third part or fourth part? So in the second part of constitution, the detail of citizenship are mentioned. Next, in which of the following article there is provision of right to equality? Article 14, Article 19, Article 20 or Article 21? So, Article 14 have the provision of right to equality. Next, question number 21. Which of the following is not included as fundamental right in Indian Constitution? A. Right to freedom of speech. B. Right to equality before law. C. Right to constitutional remedies. And D. Right to equal wages for equal work. So, the answer is D. It is not a fundamental right. Okay. These are fundamental rights. Next. Question number 22. Who is the guardian of fundamental right enumerated in Indian Constitution? Supreme Court, Parliament, Constitution or President? So, Supreme Court is the guardian of fundamental right in India. Next, question number 23. At present, in the Constitution of India, right to property is fundamental right, legal right, moral right or human right? So, at present, the right to property is a legal right. It is not a fundamental right. It is not a moral right. It is a legal right. Okay, next. Question number 24. In which of the following article the interest of minorities are covered? 14, 19, 29 and 32. So, the correct answer is in Article 29, they talk about minorities. Okay. Question number 25. Which article of Indian Constitution did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar term as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution? Article 14, Article 19, Article 356 or Article 32? So the correct answer is Article 32 is termed as heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Next. Which right is issued by High Court or Supreme Court to compel an authority to perform a function that it was not performing? A. Certus. B. Habeas corpus, mandamus or quod vanto? So the right answer is mandamus. Option number C. Which of the following right means to have the body of? A. Habeas corpus, mandamus, qui vanto and certus. So the right answer is habeas corpus. Habeas corpus. Next. Question number 28. How many fundamental duties are there in Indian Constitution? 9, 11, 12 or 20? So the right answer is there are 11 duties in Indian Constitution. Question number 29. Which of the following has been described as the soul of Indian Constitution? Fundamental right, DPSPs, right to constitutional remedy or the preamble? So the right answer is right to constitutional remedies. That is C option. Next, question number 13. Under which article of the Constitution is the President rule promulgated in any state of India? Article 356, 352, 360 or 370? So, the right answer is A, Article 356. Next. Okay, match the following. List 1, list 2. Part 1. Part 1 में क्या mentioned है? Union and its territory. यानी कि part 1 का आना चाहिए 4. And next, part 3rd. Part 3rd is about fundamental rights. Okay. अब देखते हैं part A का 4 कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है? A का 4 ये है. एक तो ये हो गया. And A का 4 एक B ये भी है. Okay. Next, B का first. B का second है ये. ये है बी का फर्स्ट. सो द राइट आंसर इज क्लियरली ऑप्शन नंबर डी. नेक्स्ट. Okay. Again match the following. Let's see. नेशनल इमरजेंसी. नेशनल इमरजेंसी का आर्टिकल क्या है? आर्टिकल 352 है. सो दिस विल गो दियर. देखते हैं ए का 3 कहाँ पे है. दिस इज ए का 3. यहाँ पे है क्या? नहीं. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर डी विल बी द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट. Question number 33. Which of the following is not appointed by the President? A. Finance Commission, Planning Commission, Commission on Official Language, or UPSC. So the correct answer is B. Planning Commission is not appointed by President and other बाकी तीनों appoint किए जाते हैं. Next. Question number 34. The President of India is elected by A. Members of Lok Sabha, members of both House of Parliament, members of State Legislature, or by an electoral college consisting of elected member of both the House of Parliament and State Assembly. So the correct answer is option number D. Next. President can forward his resignation to whom? Speaker of Lok Sabha, Prime Minister, Vice President, or Chief Justice of Supreme Court. So the right answer is President can forward its resignation to Vice President. C option. Next. Question number 36. What is the maximum age for President Post of India? 58, 60, 62, or no age limit? So there is no age limit for no maximum age limit for President Post of India. Option number D. Next. Question number 37. How many members can be nominated for both the House of Parliament by the President? 16, 10, 12, or 14. So the right answer is D. 14 members can be nominated by both the houses of parliament. Next. Which of the following appointments are not made by President of India? Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of Chief of Air Force, or Chief of Army? So the correct answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha is not appointed by President. Vice President is member of Lok Sabha, member of Rajya Sabha, member of any house, or not a member of any house. So Vice President is not a member of any house, but Vice President is ex-member of Rajya Sabha. Okay, next. Question number 40. The President can dismiss a member of the Council of Ministers with the consent of Speaker, or only under emergency condition, on the recommendation of Prime Minister, or on his own. The correct answer is C. On the recommendation of Prime Minister. Question number 41. Who is competent to dissolve the Rajya Sabha? Who is competent to dissolve the Rajya Sabha? Chairman of Rajya Sabha, the President, joint session of Parliament, or none of the above? So the right answer is none of these. How many members of Rajya Sabha are elected every 2 years? All, 1/4, half, or 1/3? So 1/3 member are elected every year. Next. Question number 43. What is the maximum permissible limit of the members of Lok Sabha? 512, 542, 552, or 532? The right answer is 552. Option number C. Question number 44. What is the minimum age to qualify the Lok Sabha election? 25, 30, 21, or 18? So the right answer is 25 years. Next. Question number 45. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Malvankar, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Iyengar, or P.V. Charian? So the right answer is A. G.V. Malvankar was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next. Question number 46. If the Speaker of Lok Sabha want to resign, to whom does he resign? President of India, Deputy Speaker, Prime Minister, or Council of Ministers? So the right answer is Deputy Speaker. लोक सभा का स्पीकर रिजाइन करेगा डेप्यूटी स्पीकर के पास. नेक्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. Who approve a bill as money bill in Lok Sabha? A. President, Finance Minister, Prime Minister, or the Speaker? Right answer is the Speaker. Speaker approve it as a money bill. Next. Question number 48. What is the retirement age of Judge of Supreme Court? 60 years, 62 years, 64 years, or 65 years? So 65 years is the retirement age of Supreme Court. Next, Judge of Supreme Court. Next, 49. Who hold the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, or Ministers of Law? So the right answer is Parliament hold the power to increase the number of judges in Supreme Court. Next, question number 50. Who has the right to seek advice, opinion of the Supreme Court of India on any question of law? Prime Minister, President, any judge of the High Court, or all of the above? So the right answer is President have the power. Next. Question number 51. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide dispute between the center and the state fall under it advisory judiciary, appellate jurisdiction, constitutional jurisdiction, original jurisdiction. So right answer is D, original jurisdiction. Who is the final? Next, question number 52. Who is the final authority to interpret the constitution? President, Parliament, Supreme Court, or Election Commission? Right answer is Supreme Court. Next, who is the employed to transfer a judge from one high court to another high court? Chief Justice of India, President of India, Law Minister of India, or the Union Cabinet? So the right answer is President of India. Next, question number 54. Which one of the following official is held during the pleasure of the President of India? Vice President, Chief Justice of India, Governor of a state, or a Chairman of UPSC? So the right answer is Governor of a state. Next, the Lok Sabha is called in the session for at least how many times in a year? So the Lok Sabha is called in session for at least how many times a year? Twice, thrice, once, or 4 times? So the right answer is it can be called it thrice. After the general election, the prompt speaker is elected by the Lok Sabha, appointed by the President of India, appointed by the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, or the senior most member of the Lok Sabha. So the right answer is D, the senior most member of the Lok Sabha. Next, question number 57. Judicial review function of the Supreme Court means to power to A. Review its own judgment, review the functionality of judiciary in the country, examine the constitutional validity of the law, undertake periodic review of the constitution. So the right answer is C, examine the constitutional validity of the law. Next, question number 58. The oath to the High Court judge is administered by the A. Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of the High Court, or the Governor, or the President. So the right answer is Governor. Next, 59. The High Court in India were first stand at Bombay, Madras, Calcutta, Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, Delhi, Madras, or Madras and Bombay. So the right answer is Madras and Bombay. Question number 60. The Governor does not appoint Judge of the High Court. Next, Chief Minister. Next, Chairman of the State Public Service Commission, or Advocate General of the state. So the Governor does not appoint the Judge of the High Court. A option. Next, which of the following is related with the Panchayati Raj? A. Shah Commission. Next, Navati Commission, Balwant Rai Mehta Commission, or Libran Commission. So the right answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Commission is not related with Panchayati Raj. Next, which of the two states has firstly implanted Panchayati Raj system? Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh, Assam and Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Chhattisgarh. So the right answer is A, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Next, question number 63. Which of the following committee recommended for according to constitutional position to the Panchayati Raj? A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Ashok Mehra Committee, Rao Committee, L.M. Singhwa Committee. So the right answer is L.M. Singhwa Committee is This is the right answer. Next, question number 64. Under which article of the Constitution are the culture and educational right granted? Article 29 and 30, Article 25 and 26, Article 31 and 32, Article 23 and 24. So the right answer is Article 29 and 30. Next, right to constitutional remedy is a fundamental right, legal right only, constitutional right only, or natural right only. So right to constitutional remedy is a fundamental right. Next, untouchability is abolished under which article of the Constitution? Article 17, Article 18, Article 14, or Article 15. So the right answer is A, Article 17. Next, the power to issue right by the Supreme Court has been in visake under which article? Article 226, Article 25, Article 32, or Article 14. Right answer is C option, Article 32. Which of the following is not a part of Indian Parliament? A. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President of India, or Attorney General of India. So the right answer is Attorney General of India. Next, question number 69. Who act as the ex-office chairman of Rajya Sabha? President, Vice President, Leader of Opposition, or Senior Most Member? So the right answer is Vice President is the ex-office chairman of Rajya Sabha. Next, question number 17. It is a permanent body and it is not subject to dissolve. Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, both A and B, yani ki Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, or D, none of this. So the right answer is Rajya Sabha is the permanent body and it is not subject to dissolve. Next, question number 71. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha in India? 200, 205, 502, or 250. So the right answer is 250. D option. Next, 72. How many members are nominated to Lok Sabha by the President from Anglo-Indian Committee? 1, 2, 3, or 4. So the right answer is 2 members is nominated. Next, question number 73. What is the minimum age required to contest in election to the Lok Sabha? 25, 30, 35, or 40. So the right answer is A, 25. Next, question number 74. What can be the maximum gap between two constitutional sessions of parliament? 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months? So the right answer is 6 months is the maximum gap. Next, question number 75. Which among the following are not included in the electoral college for electing the President of India? A. Electing member of Rajya Sabha, B. Electing member of Lok Sabha, C. Electing member of State Legislative Assembly, or D. Electing member of State Legislative Council. So the right answer is D. Electing member of State Legislative Council. Next, question number 76. Which emergency has never been operated in India? National emergency, constitutional emergency, financial emergency, or none of the above? So the right answer is financial emergency is never have been operated in India. Next, question number 77. Who is the only president of India to be elected twice? S. Radhakrishnan, R. K. Narayan, Rajendra Prasad, or R. Venkatraman? So the right answer is Rajendra Prasad is the only president to be elected twice. Next, question number 78. Who is the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces? A. Chief Justice or Supreme Court, B. Speaker of Lok Sabha, C. President of India, D. None of the above. So right answer is C. President of India is the Chief Commander of Armed Forces. Next, question number 79. Under which article of Indian Constitution the Prime Minister is appointed by the President? Article 73, Article 74, Article 75, or Article 76? Right answer is Article 75. Under Article 75, the Prime Minister is appointed by the President. Next, question number 80. The Prime Minister hold office due to the pleasure of the Chief Justice of India, Lok Sabha, President, or Vice President? So the right answer is President, C option. Next, Question number 81. The total number of high courts in India at present is 21, 24, 25 or 26. So the right answer is C. 25 high courts are present in India. Next, 82. Who decide the number of judges in the high court? A. State government. B. President. C. Governor of the state. Or D. Parliament. So president decide the number of judge in the high court. Next, 83 number. To be appointed as a judge of high court, a person should have been advocate of a high court for मीन्स हाई कोर्ट का जज बनने से पहले उसको एडवोकेट रहना पड़ेगा हाई कोर्ट का कितने सालों तक 5 years 10 years 15 or 20 years. So the right answer is for 10 years, that is B option. Next, question number 84. The union territory of Puducherry falls under the jurisdiction of which state high court? A. Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh. So the right answer is it falls under Tamil Nadu. Next, question number 85. The Indian constitution provide for dash tying system of panchayat 2, 3, 4 or 5. Right answer is 3 tying system of panchayat. 3 tier system of panchayat. Next, question number 86. Which one is not related to municipality? Municipal council, municipal corporation, Zilla Parishad or Nagar Panchayat. So the right answer is Zilla Parishad is not related to municipality. Next, question number 87. Which part of the Constitution of India is entitled the Panchayat? Part 9A, Part 9, Part 14, Part D 14A. So the right answer is D 14A. Next, question number 88. What is the minimum age required to contest in election in the panchayat? Okay, 18 years, 21 years, 25 years or 30 years. So the right answer is 21 years. Next, question number 89. Part 9A of the Constitution of India contain provision related to panchayat, municipality, cooperative society or tribunals. So the right answer is B, municipality. Next, how many seats is or are reserved for women and SC/STs at a level of panchayat? 50%, 25%, 1/3 seat or 3/4 seat. So the right answer is 1/3 seat is reserved for SC/ST women. Next, question number 91. 74th Amendment Act is related to judicial review, panchayat, municipality or state commission. So right answer is municipality, 74th Amendment Act. Next, question number 92. Which year is related to 73rd Amendment Act of Indian Constitution? 1962, 1972, 1982 or 1992. So the right answer is 1992 is related. Next, question number 93. Which of the following is related for transforming area from rural to urban? A. Nagar Panchayat. B. Municipal Council. C. Municipal Corporation. D. All of the above. So the right answer is A. Nagar Panchayat, related to transforming area from rural to urban. Next, question number 94. When was the national flag adopted? 22 July 1947, 24th January 1950, 26th January 1950, 22 January, 22 March 1957. So the right answer is A, 22 July 1947. Next, question number 95. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? A. Arbindo Ghosh. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next, C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Satyajit Ray. So the right answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee composed the song Vande Mataram. Next, question number 96. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? A. Gangetic dolphin. B. Turtle. C. Black cobra. D. None of the above. So the right answer is A. Gangetic dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Next, question number 97. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 January 1949 or 26 January 1950, 26 November 1950 or 26 November 1949? The correct answer is D, 26 November 1949. This is a repeated question because ये बहुत बार एग्जाम में आ चुका है. ये PYQ है. यहाँ से नीचे के सारे PYQs ही है. Next, who was the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution? M.M. Munshi, B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad or Muhammad Sadullah? So the right answer is B.R. Ambedkar was the head of drafting committee. Next, 99. In which year Goa was annexed by India? 1960, 1962, 1961 or 1963? So the right answer is 1961. Next, which were the number of constituency in India during the first parliament election? 401, 402, 400 or 410? Right answer is 401 parliament election. Sorry, constituency. Next, 101. Which is an extra constitutional body? Language committee, planning committee, election committee or finance committee? So the planning committee is the extra constitutional body. Next, which is not an all India service? A, Indian Administrative Service, B, Indian Police Service, C, Indian Foreign Service or D, Indian Forest Service? So the right answer is Indian Foreign Service is not an all India service. Next, Comptroller and Auditor General of India is the friend and guide of A, Selection Committee, Estimate Committee, Prime Minister or Public Account Committee? Right answer is Public Account Committee. It is a guide of Public Account Committee. Next. Okay, what can be the maximum interval between the two sessions of parliament? ये भी हो चुका है, repeated question. 6 months. Next, which of the following constitutional amendment are related to raising the number of members of Lok Sabha to be elected from the state? 6th and 22, B, 13th and 38th, C, 7th and 31st amendment, D, 11th and 42nd amendment. So right answer is 7th and 31st amendment is related. Next, fundamental rights are enshrined in the Constitution of India in the part 3rd. B option is the right. The Constitution of India was promulgated on 26 January 1950 because, right answer is A, because this day was being celebrated as the Independence Day since 1929. Next, 108th question. The opposition party status is according to the political party in Lok Sabha only if it captures at least 5% seat, 10% seat, 15% or 20. So the right answer is if it acquire 10% seat. Next, the right to vote in the national election in India is based on the principle of, right answer is D, universal adult suffrage. Right to vote in national election in India is based on the principle of universal adult franchise or universal adult suffrage. Next, question number, last two questions. Question number 110. In which respect have the central state relation been specifically termed as municipal relation? Right answer is A, central control of the state in the legislative phase. Next, last question, 101. Which among the following has the power to regulate the right of citizenship in India? So the right answer is B, Parliament have the power. So thank you everyone for watching this video till last, and मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.